In this video, I'm going to talk about how to install TeamViewer on your computer. And once you've done this, we can remote control to your machine, and it's always the best way to fix problems, as we can see the problem as you would see it on your screen. So first of all, I'm at www.teamviewer.com, and what I'm going to do is download the free application. Should be some sort of download for free button, which is right here. I'm going to click on that. And once I've done that, you'll notice in the lower left, now I'm on Microsoft Edge, so you may see a different kind of user interface depending on what browser you're using. But in Microsoft Edge, I've downloaded the file. Now I'm going to click on Open File. Once I do this, it's going to launch the install program for TeamViewer. Now, in most cases, you're just going to accept the default installation. Click on Next. Now once it's done installing, it's going to ask you how you want to use it. In most cases, you're going to select I want to use the free version for personal use. So click on the Finish button. And once I've done that, TeamViewer runs. Now, for us to remote control to your computer, you have to have TeamViewer running, and we need the ID and password here. I've got the ID blacked out for obvious reasons for this demo. Anyway, so now that you've got TeamViewer running, and if you're ready to remote control, you can either go to our libertystreet.com website, and you notice the lower right there's a live support online, or if you're using our asset tracking software, that would be assetmanagesoftware.com. Let's just use libertystreet.com. So, and at this point, I'm just going to click on the live support online button and go through the steps, technical support, and for your question, you put anything in your name. So once you've done that and you're online with our online chat, they're going to ask you for the ID and password, and you're just going to enter the ID and password as it shows on your TeamViewer main screen. So hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.